Sounds like something's nightmares and dreams. Terrible things happen there. Is a land of pain and suffering. The Lord of nightmares. He creates evil things from people. Thirsty. I'm so thirsty. I can smell you. Come here! What's that?
It hasn't come through the door yet.
I think I saw it disappear. Well, if it disappeared, we just need to get this done so we can get out of here.
I don't see it anywhere.
Okay, girls. When you go inside the stall, look for your password.
Yeah, I see it.
Yeah, me too.
By the flush of the commode.
Sarah plus Kara equals BFF.
Right, Rachel!
Oh, I'm sorry. I see the password now.
Okay, let's do this again. By the flush of the commode.
We drain a big load.
Unto the scary woods we bestowed.
Where are we? We're in the creepy woods that Candace told us about.